Good morning, good morning, good morning. Let's start from Vienna to Mölln. We visit Duotone today. We are on the way from Vienna, capital of Austria, to Upper Austria, to the Duotone Headquarter and warehouse, where I will fetch my Quiver 3 board for the Windsurfing World Cup in Poso. How nice is it in Vienna in summer? 30 degrees. Look at this. What a nice building. Amazing. Here we are going. Wonderful weather in Austria. Yoo-hoo! I think we are arriving to the end of the valley. There is the company. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, super nice. What a privilege to have the warehouse here. Huh? Coming closer, 4 minutes to go. Here we are. There it is. There it is. Boards and more. Here we are. Boards and more. To a 20 windsurf, I will get my Quiver 3 board, and from Ion wetsuit for Mike Jr. and me, taking stuff for Victor and Liam to Gran Canaria. Let's go. Here we are in Mölln. Dani, huh?
Hi.
Good to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Now we are going to pack. My board, another board, sail for Liam, mast for Victor. Yeah, the fins, super nice, asymmetrical. It's the symmetric one, symmetric. Yeah, asymmetric is next year. It's next year, so it's the symmetric one. But I have the asymmetric in Gran Canaria and the 16.5 center fin. Great fin. Let's see my baby, my new baby. Oh, super nice. D-Lab Quiver 3. Oh. Look at this. Can't wait to get in the water. What a warehouse. Amazing. Look. Fop. So it never ends. Here what we have. Ion, yes. So happy to have a new collaboration with Ion wetsuits for Mike Jr. and for me. Yeah. Look at this. Wow. Look at this. The protection wetsuit. The short wetsuit. Another protection wetsuit. And short long for Mike Jr. Yes. I had to change my t-shirt because it's really hot here in Austria. But look at this. What a nice landscape. So, and here we are, ready packed. The car is full. Booms, boards, sails, small parts. Great, let's go back to Vienna. Yeah, the Quiver 3Y, I have already the Ultra Quiver 4, and I felt it would be perfect to have also the Quiver 3 77 liter in my Quiver, because I feel the Quiver 3 actually in Poso and maybe also in Tenerife, when it's getting a little bit gusty with maybe 4.0, 4.2, maybe also 3.7 and small waves, It's a little bit more turny and feels a bit more nervous, the board. Nervous in a positive way, and it doesn't lose speed, which is actually amazing with this board. Especially in Poso when you're shredding small waves at the bunker and you need to go really close to the area where the water is not so deep. It's quite shallow. There normally the wind is really gusty because of the building, the International Windsurf Center, and so this is the moment where you need really a board which is not stopping, which is planning all the time. And especially in the competition, I feel this will be really competitive, the board. So I just want to get it before the Gran Canaria World Cup, the Pozo Izquierdo, which is already in 2 weeks. That's why I made a quick trip to Austria to get the board directly by my own. That's it. So enjoying by side also the nice Austria in summer, which is amazing temperature, 32 degrees, 34 degrees. Tomorrow I'm lucky that there's a big meeting of all my friends here in from Austria, which I still have the contact after so many years living on Gran Canaria. So it's great to take this opportunity in one event. It's a birthday party to see all at once. So I'm really happy. And of course, not only my friends, to see my parents, which are loving to see me, and I love to see them, of course. And then on Monday going back to Gran Canaria, where it seems that the wind starts again on Tuesday, Wednesday. So I didn't miss any training sessions, windsurfing sessions, because the wind was really now really low, not much wind, no waves. So perfect timing. Okay guys, next videos will be the board in action. Stay tuned. See you guys on the water.